Welcome to our next video, where we discuss various aspects of using Anteater. Anteater is a simple tool that helps you automate tasks and interact with different systems, all from your own computer. With the AI Anteater plugin, you can connect Anteater to CodeMie, allowing you to use advanced AI features in your workflows. AI Run CodeMie is your gateway to AI-powered innovation. This is the ultimate platform for harnessing the power of AI agents to transform software development and business processes. CodeMie is more than just development tools. It's a pure multi-agent platform with an extensive agents marketplace to customize workflows for coding, business automation, and beyond. Before we start, make sure you have Java version 11 or higher installed on your computer. Anteater needs Java to run. So if you don't have it yet, download and install the latest version from the official Java website. Now, let's get started by downloading Anteater Desktop. Go to the official Anteater website and look for the download section. Download the Anteater.zip file from the SourceForge site. Next, we'll add the AI Anteater plugin. Download the AI plugin.jar file from the plugins page. Unpack the Anteater.zip file in your preferred folder. Then, place the AI plugin.jar file into the Anteater plugins folder. This will enable AI features and allow you to connect Anteater to CodeMie. With both Anteater Desktop and the AI plugin installed, you're ready to automate tasks and use AI-powered tools in your workflows. To enable the CodeMie Helper editor, simply copy the example configuration from the project's README page. Open your AE.xml file in the Anteater folder, then paste the example into the appropriate section for editors. Save the file once you've added the configuration. This step ensures the CodeMie Helper editor is active, giving you access to AI-powered features in Anteater Desktop. Start the application by launching the Anteater executable file. When the application starts, you'll see a dialog to select your environment. Choose CodeMie Demo from the list of environments. You'll be prompted to enter your CodeMie credentials. Have your username and password ready for this step. The application is now running. As you can see, no recipe tasks are found. This happens because the configuration points to a folder that doesn't exist for recipe files. Let's create a new recipe. The recipe has been created. Now we can use the AI CodeMie Code Helper to create a simple recipe by entering a prompt. This feature lets you generate tasks quickly and easily with the help of AI. The creation process has started, and you'll notice a spinner indicator in the top right corner. This shows that the AI CodeMie Code Helper is working on generating your recipe. The process is complete, and the recipe content has been generated. You can now review and use the new recipe in Anteater. Run the recipe to see it in action. Anteater will execute the tasks defined, allowing you to automate your workflow with just a few clicks. Run the recipe to see it in action. Anteater will execute the tasks defined, allowing you to automate your workflow with just a few clicks. Let's input another prompt to create an About section in our recipe. This will help add useful information and make your recipe more descriptive. We're now waiting for the result. The AI CodeMie Code Helper is processing your prompt and will generate the About section shortly. The recipe has been updated. You can now see the new About tag added to your recipe. Save the recipe, and then create the required folder as defined in the configuration file. This ensures Anteater can access and manage your recipes correctly. So, let's review the generated About tag. Take a look at the content to make sure it accurately describes your recipe and provides helpful information for users. In general, it looks fine, but we need to make some updates. Let's adjust the About section to better fit our needs and ensure all important details are included. After making all the required updates, we'll save the recipe. This was a brief overview of how to use the AI Anteater plugin code helper with the CodeMie service. In the second part of our presentation, we will overview the CodeMie processor. This processor extends the OpenAI processor and provides CodeMie authorization. We won't use the AI code helper. Instead, we'll use the default code helper to see which commands are provided by the CodeMie processor. Use the extern command to access the CodeMie processor. As you can see, there are several new commands available that are not provided by the default processor. Let's start by using the models command. This command requests a list of supported chat models from CodeMie and stores the result in a variable defined by the name attribute. To use the CodeMie processor, you need to add your credentials as attributes to the extern tag. This ensures secure access and allows the processor to connect to the CodeMie service. Add the output command to display the list of supported models. Then, run the recipe to see the results. This will show you which chat models are available through the CodeMie processor. As you can see, the CodeMie service provides a large list of models. Simply select the one you need for your workflow. Add the code to select the model you prefer. This step lets you specify which chat model to use in your recipe, tailoring the AI's behavior to your needs. The next command we'll use is prompt, with a very simple text. This command sends your prompt to the selected model and returns the AI's response, making it easy to interact with the CodeMie service. Run the recipe and select the chat model you want to use. Wait for the result to be generated. Then review and validate the response to ensure it meets your expectations. The next command to use is WebSearch. This command allows you to perform an online search through the CodeMie service and retrieve relevant information directly into your workflow. As you can see, this works as expected. The WebSearch command successfully retrieves and displays relevant information from the CodeMie service within your workflow. We've used the models, prompt, and WebSearch commands. These are all very easy to use. However, the CodeMie processor also supports one more command. It is function. The function command enables function tool support, allowing you to define and execute custom tasks within your recipes for even greater flexibility. The function command has a slightly more complex structure, so we'll use the CodeMie code helper to assist with its setup. This will make it easier to define and implement custom functions in your recipe. The CodeMie code helper is creating the function command structure for us. An error has appeared because we need to add the chat model attribute to the extern tag. Make sure to specify the chat model so the CodeMie processor knows which model to use. Run the recipe and wait for the result. The CodeMie processor will execute the function command and display the outcome once it's ready. Add an output command inside the function task. This will help you confirm that the code is being called and executed as expected during the recipe run. As you can see, everything is working as expected. The function command is executed successfully, and the output confirms that your code is being called correctly. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you get started with the AI Anteater plugin and CodeMie service. See you in the next video.